Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I've posted, I believe, or I've done a video. So you'll see a couple different changes. I got some bangs. My hair's a little bit shorter and I'm going to be creating a look that I was inspired by Jessie Perkins. She just did a video and I wanted to put my own spin on this. So hopefully y'all enjoy and let me fix my hair. So this is the finished product. So you can probably get smaller gemstones for this look, but I really enjoy these kind of like medium ones. I feel like it's more like boom in your eyes or boom in someone else's eyes, but kept it simple. A little bit of highlight, a little bit of blush, just lip gloss, because I feel like the eyes are so dramatic. But really enjoy this. Now I kind of want to like buy smaller like gemstones and play around with this. Maybe do like 3 smaller ones. I feel like that'd be really cute. So yeah, so hopefully y'all enjoy this video. Let me know if you would wear this look, and hopefully y'all are having a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.